Good evening, everyone. Standard disclaimer before we start the analysis. Just to let everybody know that I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, and all the analysis and information given on this video is only for education purposes. Please consult your financial advisor for any investment related queries. Okay, so moving into our analysis, this is what we had shared yesterday. We had given the breakout and breakdown zones for Sensex and the breakdown and breakout zones for Nifty. So if you look at the way price action behaved for Nifty, first the first 15-minute candle came below our breakdown level, and then it was a perfect sell for target one. If you look at Sensex, it was very volatile, but you notice we got a retracement back above the breakdown level, which was a false breakout, and then back to target one, and the entire day Sensex consolidated between breakdown and target one. There was absolutely no trading opportunities here due to this volatility. There was no trading opportunities here either due to the volatility, but yes, we could have done a little bit of scalping if you are good at scalping. So if you look at the way these levels work, they respect the price action, and these levels are exactly where action takes place. Okay, so one thing you need to make sure you understand that anything above the breakout area and anything below the breakdown area where option buyers will be trading, and anything in between this zone is an option seller zone. Okay, so let's go in for tomorrow. So what would be the breakout and breakdown level? So I'll delete these off. Okay, so we'll start with the Nifty. The breakdown level, the breakout level for Nifty is pretty high for tomorrow. It's at 26,046, and the breakdown level for Nifty is at 25,789. Okay, this is the breakout, and this is the breakdown. Okay, now once for tomorrow, it's going to be a little tricky. Okay, I'll tell you the reason. So this is Nifty. Okay, why it's going to be tricky tomorrow is because just below the breakdown area we have a reversal level coming in, and this reversal level is at 25,760. Okay, so just going to mark it here as a reversal. Okay, and about 26,046, which is our breakout level. Your first target would be at 25,087. That would be your T1, and your T2 would be at 26,114. If this is broken, we will straight away go to 26,164. Now this is going to act as your resistance. I'm going to mark the resistance in blue. This is going to be resistance. Okay, we have another resistance coming in at 25,960. Okay, yeah. So this is also an R. You have a support zone coming in at, okay, okay. This is an S. Okay, so let's, and you have a major breakdown coming in at 25,629. Okay, so we have set up the entire chart for tomorrow. So let's just go through how to trade this particular zone. So what do we expect in the opening tomorrow? So the opening is going to be flat. We will open around the 25,902 levels. Okay, and we could move up a little bit, just like a wick we did here. We could make a wick going all the way to 25,920 and then start to drop. Now it's going to be tricky because even when we reach 25,821, this level, or we will get a bounce back. Okay, and this bounce could come all the way back to 25,900. So it's not going to be a very straightforward day tomorrow. It's going to be very range bound. It's going to be, trading within this large range of 26,041 and 25,789. However, if we give a breakdown below 25,789, okay, wait for the price to touch 725,760 and get a reversal back. When this comes as a reversal, watch for the price action. This reversal could go all the way to 20, around 25,840, okay, and then start to drop. It's best to do any scalping. Don't hold your trade for any large targets. If you can just scalp, go ahead, scalp and finish it off. Okay. However, now if we get a good price action towards the upside and price crosses 25,964 and reaches 26,146, by any chance, we can actually go ahead and you know short the positions here, and that could come down all the way down to 25,789. So if we get this move, it is nothing like it. It is one of the best trading opportunities we could get. Otherwise, within this 25,960, 25,820, it's going to be extremely range bound and premiums will decay. So best avoid trading in this zone. Okay. One more thing to note, if the price reaches 25,629, there will be a sharp move from here, and that move could go back to 25,789. Anything below this on a weekly closing basis can drag Nifty much lower to 25,100 levels. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Let's go in for Sensex. Okay, so what will be the breakout level for Sensex tomorrow? It's going to be 84,969. And what will be the breakdown level for Sensex? It's going to be 84,111. Okay, and this will be our target one. Okay, we'll not give a target below breakdown level. The reason being is below this, there is a strong reversal zone, which is a support area, and that support area comes to around 84,079. Okay, so even here, if you look at the structure, the moment we have a breakdown, we have a support, so there's a reversal, and if you want to do any selling, you will have to sell on this reversal side. Do not sell immediately after breakdown. It will trap you and it will go on the top. Okay, on the break, if we have a breakout tomorrow, then we have an immediate resistance coming in at 85,055. So this is your R. Okay, get it blue. So once again, it's going to be tricky, right? So once we break this level and we end up buying a call option or going on a long position, we'll immediately face resistance here and take a turn back. So best thing is to wait for this first resistance, 85,085 to break, and then we can go in for targets of, that's your first target. Okay. There's not much targets on the upside for tomorrow. We have only one that'll go up. However, on the downside, if we break to 84,027, the gates to 83,600 will be open. So I don't think so we will have much move in terms of a major breakdown or a major breakout. Okay, but however, just keep a watch on 84,027 in case we break down below that. We are going to go a lot lower in the coming weeks. Okay, it's going to be a very simple trading. Sensex, please avoid any, um, if you get an opportunity here, sell. If you get an opportunity here, and if it is taking support, go ahead and buy. However, in between this, do not trade because here the premiums will decay. It's being a Friday, end of the week, so they will decay the premiums as much as possible. Okay, so that's it for Sensex. If there is a Telegram channel also mentioned in our channel description, feel free to join that Telegram channel. The reason being is we give you updates on live market during in the Telegram channel. We don't do any buy or sell recommendations, but yes, we do give live updates during trading hours. And also, we also give you the maximum low point and the maximum high point of the index, which will be very useful in case you're trailing stop losses. That's it for today. We will meet you again on the weekend with the weekly analysis for Nifty and Sensex. Till then, have a good day. All the best for trading tomorrow. Thank you.